How do I remove a MyBook's WD SmartWare virtual CD from my desktop? I recently got a Western Digital MyBook external hard drive to enable Time Machine. It has its software installed on a virtual CD called WD SmartWare, which shows up on the desktop anytime the drive is plugged in. Since I will use this virtual drive only very rarely, how can I hide it from the desktop, while allowing other CDs to show up?
WD has posted the steps to remove the SmartWare and its VCD, Mac or Windows. Step 1, Firmware Update, Release 2.003, March 4, 2010. Before running the virtual CD manager, you must first update the firmware on your hard drive. Disconnect all other external drives from the computer except for the MyBook or MyPassport drive you want to update. Ensure that the MyBook or MyPassport drive is connected to a USB port on your computer. Download the firmware updater for Windows. Unzip the file and double-click to open the firmware updater. Click Continue to update the firmware. Click Accept the End User's License Agreement, EULA. The updater will scan the drive, which may take a few minutes. Verify the attached drive's serial number located on the back of the drive. Click Update Firmware. Once the updater is finished, click Exit. Turn off the drive. For MyPassport, disconnect the USB cable. For MyBook, disconnect both USB and power cables. Wait 10 seconds. Reconnect the USB/power cables. Step 2. Download and run the VCD manager. Download VCD Manager for Windows. Put SmartWare VirtualC Manager for Windows v1.0.7.4.zip to your desktop. Unzip the utility, extract the file using an extraction utility. Double-click with SmartWare VirtualC Manager for Windows v1.0.7.4.exe. Click Continue to disable the VCD. Once the utility has found your drive, click Configure Drive and then click Exit. Turn off the drive. For MyPassport, disconnect the USB cable. For MyBook, disconnect both USB and power cables. Wait 10 seconds. Reconnect the USB/power cables that have been disconnected in the previous step. Verify that the VCD no longer appears.
On macOS X you can unmount the SmartWare partition for good by editing /etc/stab and adding a line. UID equals your _SmartWare_partitions _UID_hernum HFS RW NOAUTO 00. You'll get the UID by typing diskutal-info/volume/WD-var. A one-liner for this.
The instructions at this link will allow you to disable the VCD firmware. This URL. Provided is a great utility.
but it will not delete the VCD partition. That was the first thing I tried. I had to install their crapware to disable it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.